Hi friends, so welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video I have shown you how to create a simple view in MS SQL. So if you missed the video, I will add the video in the I button on the top. You can see that. So in my previous video I have said that we cannot able to insert a record in a simple view, but there is another way to insert a record by using a view. So I have a view, so vw underscore emp, so which I have been created. This is a simple view. Okay, so let's select and see the view. Okay, so now I have three records. Now let's see how to insert a record by using the view. Okay, like as usual, insert into my view name, copy paste, and when you take my employee table structure, so we have 4 columns. So id is a primary key with auto increment, and we have first name, last name, and is active. So the required field is first name only. id will be auto incremented, so we should not pass the id because it is a primary key. And for is active column, by default I have set the value as 1. So when you insert a value, so it is not required to pass the is active column. If you required, you can pass, otherwise you can simply leave it. And the last name is an optional column. If you pass data, you will have data, otherwise you will have null value. Okay, this is my table structure. Now in this I will show you how. So before that, let's see what are the columns we have in this view. So I have first name, last name. So now I will use only the first name and last name. First name comma last name. Okay, I'm going to pass the values. James, some ABC, just the dummy data. Okay, so when I use this key, when I use the view, so I can able to insert data, because this view is a simple view. Okay, when I execute, see, one row is affected, and when I select my table, you can see now 4 records. See, our recent data is added, like James ABC as null. So let's see how to insert only the first name. I have only the first name. I will set William. Okay, now let's execute. See, because in the employee table only the first name is a required column, remaining all the columns are default having a value or it is not required. Okay, so now see, we have find 5 records. So in a simple view, we can, with the help of a simple view, we can be able to insert the data, insert or update. We can be able to perform the CRUD operation, insert, update, or anything. Okay, so this is a simple view, so which we can able to, with the help of the simple view, we can able to do our CRUD operation. So wait for my upcoming videos to see what is complex view. Okay, thanks for watching my videos, friends. Bye.